Welcome back to Welcoming Monarchs to Dummerston. Let's take a look at how my swamp milkweed is doing. This is one of my many plants, and this is the second year for this beautiful plant. You can see how tall it is, and the flowers are starting to develop. It is June 18th today. We're almost in summer, and I have a feeling that if we're lucky, fingers crossed, the monarch adults will be returning from Mexico very, very soon, possibly within the next week or so. So what's interesting is the monarchs that will be going through an entire life cycle in your garden are the ones that are called the super migrators. They go all the way down from Vermont to central Mexico, where they spend the winter. And then, once they're roosted for the winter and they overwinter in millions, they start to begin their journey north in late winter or early spring, usually about mid-March or so. And both males and females migrate at the same time. They move into southeastern area of the country, and pretty soon they mate and they lay eggs. And then the next group moves to the northern part of that breeding range. And then there'll be 2 or 3 more generations where they are just going to stay put. And they'll breed and they'll go through the whole life cycle. And then by the time they get here, which is late June, early July, they are ready to complete their last life cycle. So we get them at the end, and then we basically get them as they return as well. Pretty cool. So we know that there are some real issues with monarch butterflies. They are called the canary in the cornfield. There are some issues with habitat destruction. There's issues with some invasive species that they are starting to eat that they can't breed on. And so we're doing our best to try to figure out what it is that they need and try to help them along their way. What we're going to be doing next time when we talk is I'm going to help you figure out how to track the life cycle of the monarch butterfly from laying eggs all the way to adult, which is about a month in total. So to get ready for that next time, these are some of the tools that you're going to need. Definitely some kind of pad or notebook to record your information, unless you'd like to do it digitally. A really good ruler that has millimeter and centimeters, because you're going to be wanting to measure all of the instars, the caterpillars. And, of course, a hand lens, magnifying glass. This one's quite a beaut, isn't it? And you'll want to have one that's going to help you really differentiate between the instars. Don't forget the handout that I gave you, and if you need another one, let me know. It shows you the instars and gives some information. And also, there are some websites that I told you about that I will mention once again at the end when I send you this email with more information. So, good luck, and I'll see you soon.